Welcome to our channel, The Animal Watchers. Have you ever wondered what happens in the animal kingdom when the sun goes down and the moon comes up? What kind of animals are active at night? And how do they survive and thrive in the dark? In this video, we're going to explore the amazing world of nocturnal animals and learn about their special adaptations, behaviors, and lifestyles. From owls to bats, from AAs to armadillos, and many more, we will discover some of the most fascinating creatures that live in the shadows. So get ready to join us on a nocturnal adventure and see for yourself the secret lives of nocturnal animals. 10. Ocelot. Ocelots use their sharp senses to pounce on their prey at night. Found mostly in Mexico and Central American rainforests, these secretive animals are known for their special spots. Every ocelot's coat is unique. The ocelot is efficient at climbing, leaping, and swimming. It prefers areas close to water sources with dense vegetation cover and high prey availability. It preys on small terrestrial mammals, such as armadillos, opossums, and lagomorphs. It is typically active during twilight and at night and tends to be solitary and territorial. Both sexes become sexually mature at around 2 years of age and can breed throughout the year. Peak mating season varies geographically. After a gestation period of 2 to 3 months, the female gives birth to a litter of 1 to 3 kittens. They stay with their mother for up to 2 years, after which they leave to establish their own home ranges. The ocelot is listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List and is threatened by habitat destruction, hunting, and traffic accidents. While its range is very large, various populations are decreasing in many parts of its range. The association of the ocelot with humans dates back to the Aztec and Incan civilizations. It has occasionally been kept as a pet. 9. Skunk. Skunks stay cozy in leaf-lined dens during the day and come out at night to look for fruit, plants, insects, bird eggs, and small rodents to eat. Their stinky spray, called musk, can hit a target up to 12 feet away, and the smell can last for 4 days. Yuck! They do usually give plenty of warning first, though, by growling, stamping, or even doing a handstand. Behavior. Skunks are crepuscular and solitary animals when not breeding, though in the colder parts of their range, they may gather in communal dens for warmth. During the day, they shelter in burrows, which they can dig with their powerful front claws. For most of the year, the normal home range for skunks is 0.5 to 2 miles, 1 to 3 kilometers in diameter, with males expanding during breeding season to travel 4 to 5 miles, 6 to 8 kilometers per night. Skunks are not true hibernators in the winter, but do den up for extended periods of time. However, they remain generally inactive and feed rarely, going through a dormant stage. Over winter, multiple females, as many as 12, huddle together. Males often den alone. Often, the same winter den is repeatedly used. Although they have excellent senses of smell and hearing, they have poor vision, being unable to see objects more than about 3 meters, 10 feet away, making them vulnerable to death by road traffic. They are short-lived. Their lifespan in the wild can reach 7 years, with an average of 6 years. In captivity, they may live for up to 10 years. 8. Pangolin. Pangolins, sometimes known as scaly anteaters, are mammals of the order Pholidota. The one extant family, the Manidae, has 3 genera: Manus, Phatagenus, and Smutsia. Manes comprises 4 species found in Asia, while Phatagenus and Smutsia include 2 species each, all found in sub-Saharan Africa. These species range in size from 30 to 100 centimeters, 12 to 39 in. A number of extinct pangolin species are also known. In September 2023, 9 species were reported. Pangolins have large protective keratin scales, similar in material to fingernails and toenails, covering their skin. They are the only known mammals with this feature. They live in hollow trees or burrows, depending on the species. Pangolins are nocturnal, and their diet consists mainly of ants and termites, which they capture using their long tongues. They tend to be solitary animals, meeting only to mate and produce a litter of 1 to 3 offspring, which they raise for about 2 years. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of the latest video uploads. 7. Opossum. Opossums are members of the marsupial order Didelphimorphia, endemic to the Americas. The largest order of marsupials in the Western Hemisphere. It comprises 93 species in 18 genera. Opossums originated in South America and entered North America in the Great American Interchange, following the connection of North and South America. The Virginia opossum is the only species found in the United States and Canada. It is often simply referred to as an opossum and in North America, it is commonly referred to as opossum, sometimes rendered as possum in written form to indicate the dropped opossums should not be confused with the Australasian arboreal marsupials of suborder Phalangeriformes that are also called possums because of their resemblance to the Didelphimorphia. The opossum is typically a non-aggressive animal. 6. Coyote. These smart hunters can live in almost any habitat and eat almost anything. Coyotes usually live in a pack of extended family members. Coyote pups learn fast. They are born in spring and learn to hunt on their own by fall. Humans encourage coyotes to be nocturnal. In populated areas, coyotes hunt at night to avoid people, but in uninhabited areas they may be awake during the day. The coyote is a species of canine native to North America. It is smaller than its close relative, the wolf, and slightly smaller than the closely related eastern wolf and red wolf. It fills much of the same ecological niche as the golden jackal does in Eurasia. The coyote is larger and more predatory, and was once referred to as the American jackal by a behavioral ecologist. Other historical names for the species include the prairie wolf and the brush wolf. The coyote is listed as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, due to its wide distribution and abundance throughout North America. The species is versatile, able to adapt to and expand into environments modified by humans. Urban coyotes are common in many cities. The coyote was sighted in eastern Panama, across the Panama Canal from their home range, for the first time in 2013. 5. Fox. Foxes are one of the most widespread and adaptable animals in the world. They belong to the dog family, but they have many features in common with cats, such as their eyes, ears, whiskers, and paws. Foxes are mostly nocturnal, meaning they are active at night and sleep during the day. They have excellent senses of sight, hearing, and smell, which help them hunt for their prey, such as rodents, insects, birds, and fruits. Foxes can also communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, such as barks, howls, screams, and chirps. Foxes are not pack animals, but they can form small family groups when raising their young too. There are 12 species of true foxes, and many more relatives that are called foxes. The most common and widespread fox is the red fox, which has a reddish-brown fur and a bushy tail. The smallest fox is the fennec fox, which has large ears and lives in the deserts of Africa. The largest fox is the Arctic fox, which has a thick white fur and can survive in extremely cold temperatures. Foxes are fascinating nocturnal animals that have a lot of secrets to reveal. 4. Bat. Bats are the world's only flying mammal, earning them a special spot on our nocturnal animals list. There are over 1,400 bat species, found everywhere except the most severe desert and polar climates. Bats sometimes get a bad rap for being creepy pests, but they are actually essential for plant pollination and pest control in many areas. They can eat thousands of insects in a single night. Read and learn about bats in the Bat Book by Charlotte Milner. 3. Sugar glider. With its candy-coated name and funny habits, sugar gliders are at the top of many kids' favorite nocturnal animals list. These mini marsupials, native to Australia, can soar through the air up to 165 feet with their parachute-like bodies. They make many different sounds and also use their own signature scents to communicate with one another. Read and learn about sugar gliders in the Glide Sugar Glider chapter of the Nocturnals. Explore unique adaptations of nighttime animals by Tracy Hecht. 2. Owl. Owls are some of the most majestic creatures on our nocturnal animals list. From the tiny elf owl to the impressive great gray owl, owls' excellent hearing and near-silent feathers make them the stealthiest nighttime hunters. Their eyes are shaped like binoculars, letting them hone in on prey from far away. Owls swallow their prey whole and cough up the bones and fur in owl pellets. Try dissecting them for an amazing hands-on project. Read and learn about owls in So You Want to Be an Owl by Jane Porter. 1. Raccoon. These masked mischief makers are known for seizing opportunities to eat or explore while their human neighbors are sleeping or sometimes during the day. Their omnivorous diet includes fruit, vegetables, small rodents, and fish. Urban raccoons eat garbage, compost, and pet food too. Raccoon tracks are great fun to spot in snow or mud. Their 5 long toes look just like mini handprints. Read and learn about raccoons in Raccoon Rescue. True Tales of Rescue by Kamal Einhorn. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals are amazing creatures that have adapted to live in the dark, and they have many secrets to reveal. From their special senses, to their unique behaviors, to their diverse lifestyles, nocturnal animals are truly fascinating and wonderful. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more animal wonders. Also, let us know in the comments below what other nocturnal animals you would like us to feature in our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.